ጤና ይስጥልን ተመልካቾቼ አሁን የምሰራላችሁ የአምናው 2016-2024 ቦክሌት ኮድ 194 የኬሚስትሪ ፈተና ነው የምሰራላችሁ የሲኤልሲ ማለት ነው። question number 1 which of the following reaction is used for the preparation of bases? A. Reaction of active metal oxides with water. B. Reaction of metal hydroxide with dilute acids. C. Heating of carbonates with dilute acids. D. Heating of a salt with a non-volatile acid. The answer is A. Reaction of active metal oxide with water. Question number 2. Which of the following salts is used in the treatment of wastewater? A. Barium sulfide. B. Calcium carbonate. C. Potassium nitrate. D. Iron chloride. The answer is iron chloride.
The treatment of wastewater.
Question number 3. A student prepared two beakers, each containing 100 ml of water. The student dissolved 10 ml of concentration of HCl in the first beaker and 10 ml of concentration of acetic acid in the second beaker. Which of the following would occur in the solution? A. In the first beaker, a small fraction of HCl dissociates into ions. In the second beaker, a large fraction of acetic acid dissociates into ions. B. In the first beaker, a large fraction of HCl dissociates into ions. And in the second beaker, a small fraction of acetic acid dissociates into ions. C. The amount of HCl dissociated in the first beaker and the amount of acetic acid dissociated in the second beaker are identical. D. There is no dissociation or ionization of the HCl and acetic acid in both the first and the second beakers. The answer must be B. In the first beaker, a large fraction of HCl dissociates into ions, and in the second beaker, a small fraction of acetic acid dissociates into ions. This is the answer.
The answer is B. Question number 4. Consider the following 5 steps during the extraction of aluminum from its bauxite ore by Hall process. The steps, which of the following is correct sequence of production? The sequence is, first sequence is 3, heating the ore with sodium hydroxide solutions, and the second is 4, conversion of aluminum oxide to soluble sodium aluminate. The 3 is 1, treating the mixture of aqueous solution of sodium silicate and aluminate with an acid. 2, heating aluminum oxide strongly in a furnace. Is 5, electrolysis of molten mixture of cryolite and aluminum oxide. Is the answer is B. Question number 5. Which of the following food preservation methods leaves product without loss of aroma or flavor? Is A. freeze drying. B. vacuum packing. C. melting. D. freezing. The answer is A. freezing drying is the answer. Question number 6. Consider the following 3 steps. These steps, 3 steps, which correctly sequence of industrial production of ammonia by using Haber process. Is the answer is B. For step 1 is first electrolysis of water and fractional distillation of air, and the second is step 3, introducing hydrogen and nitrogen gases in a chamber containing iron particles at a temperature of 300 to 500 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 15 to 25 megapascals. And step 2 is the third, passing hot mixture of gases through a condenser. The answer is B. Question number 7. Which of the following is a physical properties of nitric acid or HNO3? The physical properties. A. Nitric acid is a corrosive chemical. This is corrosion is a chemical property. B. On exposure to light, it turns brown. This is chemical property. C. It forms large number of salts. This chemical property. D. Nitric acid has a pungent smell. Smells are the physical properties. The answer is D. 8. Which of the following is correct explanation about herbicides? A. Organochlorine compounds are the most common herbicides of substances. B. Selective herbicides controls specific weed species, leaving the desired crop unharmed. C. Herbicides are substances that are used to enhance the growth of important plants. D. Herbicides are substances that are used to control unwanted insects. The answer is correct in herbicides are B. Selective herbicide controls specific weeds, leaving the desired crop unharmed is the answer. Question number 9. A student collected the following information from the community on the preparation of local alcoholic drink or araki. The steps are which is the correct sequence or procedure of preparation of araki or local alcohol. The answer is D is the correct sequence. The first is step 3. Bickle preparation from barley, the starter or tenses. Preparation by mixing the bickle with geisha powder and fermentation starts for a few days. The second is step 4. Baking bread from different ingredients and breaking down the bread and mixing with the fermented starter and the leaving for fermentation for coupling of days. And step 2, adding a proportional amount of water to liquid the thick dough like mixture and leaving for 1 to 2 days for further fermentation. And the last step, step 1, is distillation of the liquid mixture in traditional ways is the final step. The answer is D is the correct sequence. Question number 10. Which of the following synthetic polymers is used to make squeeze bottles, plastic wrappings, and electrical installations? Used. A. Polymethyl methacrylate. B. Polypropylene. C. Polyethylene. D. Polyvinyl chloride. The answer is C. Polyethylene is the answer. Question number 11. The electronic configuration of an element in a periodic table is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 2p6, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p5. In which block does this element belongs to? The last electronics configuration, it is P block is the answer. D block, F block, S block, P block. P block is the answer. Question number 12. Consider the following chart of general periodic properties in the periodic table. These periodic tables are this decrease from left to right and up to bottom, top to bottom is increased. which periodic properties are match? Correctly agrees. A. Electron affinity, electronegativity, atomic radius, ionization energy. The answer is atomic radius is from left to right is decrease, and from top to down is increase. This is the answer is C. Question number 13. Which of the following is correct about the formation of a covalent bond? A covalent bond is formed A. between mobile and stationary electrons, B. between positively and negatively charged ions, C. by the transfer of valence electrons, D. by sharing of valence electrons. In a covalent bond, always these questions are appears by sharing of electrons. sharing የምትለውን መያዝ አለባችሁ። ሁሌም የማይቀር ጥያቄ ስለሆነ ነው። Question number 14. The molecule of carbon tetrachloride CCl4 has a 4 polar CCl bonds. However, CCl4 is non-polar molecules. Which of the following explains reasons observed the property of CCl4? A. The molecule is non-polar because of the difference in electronegativity between carbon and chlorine. B. The molecule is non-polar because of the presence of 4 polar CCl bonds in the molecule. C. Even though the bond in CCl4 is polar, the net dipole moment of the molecule is 0. D. Even though the bond CCl4 is polar, the net dipole moment of the molecule is different from 0. The answer must be C. CCl4 is polar, the net dipole moment molecules will be 0. Question number 15. Which of the following is responsible for the usual high boiling points of HF, H2O, and NH3? For 3 H's, is A. hydrogen bonds, B. London dispersion force, C. ionic bond, D. covalent bond. The answer is hydrogen bond. A is the answer. Question number 16. What are the molecular formula of alkene and alkyne containing 7 carbon atoms respectively? From alkenes, alkene CnH2n, alkyne CnH2n minus 2, alkane CnH2n plus 2. እነዚህን በደንብ ከያዛችሁ አሁንም ፈተናስ እነዚህ ይመጣሉ አይቀሩም። This is appears always these questions. From alkenes is C7H40. C7H40. Questions will be B or D will be. And alkyne, why? Alkyne is C7H14 minus 2, 12. This is 16, this is 12. The answer must be B is the answer. B is the answer. Question number 17. Which of the following is the correct method for preparation of alkenes in the laboratory? A. Heating of sodium salt of organic acid with soda lime. B. Alkalination of the sodium acetylide with a primary alkalides. C. Dehydration of alcohols with concentrated sulfuric acid. D. Reaction of halogenated alkane with sodium. The answer is C. Dehydration of alcohols with concentration of sulfuric acid. Question number 18. Which of the following is correct structure of benzene? ሁልጊዜ ስለ ቤንዚን ይመጣል። this benzene ምንጊዜም ሄክሳ ሆኖ መሃል ላይ ሰርክል ያለው ነው ቤንዚንን የሚወክልን ስትራክቸር። ስለዚህ አንሰር ኢዝ ዲ እንግዲህ እና በእንትንም ቤንዚንን በኬሚካል ፎርሙላ የሚያዙት በዚህ የሚያዙት በስትራክቸርም ቤንዚን ሁሉ ጊዜ ይመጣል ማለት ነው። In question 19, which of the following is the product of fractional distillation of crude oil? A. Naphthalene, B. Producer gas, C. Kerosene, D. Water gas. The answer is the product of crude oil is kerosene. C is the answer. Question number 20, what is the molecular formula and IUPAC name of the saturated monocarboxylic acid having 6 carbon atoms? A. C6H13COOH hepatonic acid. B. C5H11COOH hepatonic acid. C. C6H13COOH hexanoic acid. D. C5H11COOH hexanoic acid. The answer is C. C6H13COOH hexanoic acid is the answer. Question number 21. What are the two types of polymerization? A. Addition and condensation polymerization. B. Condensation and displacement polymerization. C. Addition and decomposition polymerization. D. Condensation and substitution polymerization. The answer is A. Addition and condensation polymerization. This polymerization will be the Question 22. Which of the following is a monomer of natural rubber? A. Isoprene. B. Hexamethylene diamine. C. Styrene. D. Ethylene tetraphthalate. The answer is A. Isoprene is rubber made. Question number 23. The component of the environment consisting Earth's upper outermost skin and accessible to human beings lives in the atmosphere. Lives on what type of atmosphere? A. Atmosphere. B. Hydrosphere, lithosphere, biosphere. The answer is lithosphere is the outermost skin and the human beings are lives. The answer is C. Question 24. Consider the following steps that occur during the nitrogen cycle. Which the correct sequence nitrogen cycle is through? The answer is B. From step 2 is the first fixation of nitrogen by bacteria and algae first, and step 3 is the second nitrification by nitrosomas and nitrobacteria, and step 1 is the third reduction of nitrate by microbial action, and step 4 is the fourth denitrification of nitrate with acid and formalides. The answer is B. Question number 25. Some hazardous substances damage and create unwanted changes in air, water, soil, or any other natural resource. The resulting change created is known as A. Global warming, B. Greenhouse effect, C. Pollution, D. Afforestation. The answer is pollution. እነዚህ በእያንዳንዳቸው ይመጣሉ ያዟቸው። ግሎባል ዋርሚንግ ምንድነው? ግሪንሃውስ ኢፌክት ምንድነው? አፎረስቴሽን ምንድነው? ዲፎረስቴሽን ምንድነው? የሚሉ ነገሮች አይቀሩም። አሁንም ያዟቸው። Question number 26. Which of the following description of the property of covalent compound is correct? A. Most covalent compounds are solids at room temperature. B. Covalent compounds have low melting and low boiling points. C. Covalent compounds are non-volatile. D. Most covalent compounds are soluble in water. The answer is B. Covalent compounds are low melting and boiling points. Question number 27. The attractive force between molecules is known as A. Intermolecular force, B. Nuclear force, C. Intramolecular force, D. Lattice force. The attractive between molecules is intermolecular force. A is the answer. Question 28. The hybridization of central atom xenon Xe in the xenon tetrafluoride XeF4 is sp3d2. Which of the following is the shape of XeF4? This is F4. A. Square planar. B. Octahedral. C. Seesaw shape. D. Tetrahedral. The answer is A. Square planar is the answer. Question 29. Which of the following is the correct electron configuration of peroxide ion O2 minus is? The answer is A. This is from pi 2 pi 2 equals 2 pi 2 pz2 this is the answer. Question 30. Consider the following reaction between nitrogen N2 and oxygen O2. Nitrogen plus oxygen is 2NO. The rate disappearance of N2 is 2.5 times 10 minus 6 moles per second. What is the rate of reaction for the formation of NO? This rate of reaction is 2 times 2.5 times 10 raised minus 6 because nitrogen is 2. The answer is B is 5 times 10 raised minus 6. Question 31. Given the following heterogeneous reactions, calcium carbonate decomposes to calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. What is the equilibrium constant expression for the above reaction is Kc is equals to carbon dioxide is the answer is B. Question 32. Which of the following statements is correct regarding the properties of monocarboxylic acids? A. Heating of carboxylic acid with alcohol produce salt and water. B. Carboxylic acid react with strong bases to form esters and water. C. The hydrolysis of carboxylic acid in water produce an ester and water. D. Carboxylic acid react with active metals to form salt and hydrogen gas. The answer is D. Question 33. What is the scientific notation for 0.000055? In this equation, this is always scientific notation. This scientific notation is used in 5.5 is used. This 0.5 is used scientifically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. 6 digits. 5.5 times 10 raised minus 6 is the answer. Or in other words, for 556 or 555 and so on. This always this one digit from the point is given. 5.5 always. The answer is C. Question 34. A water molecule has two bond pairs and two lone pairs of electrons. Which of the following is correct about those pairs of electrons? A. Lone pair repulsion is exactly identical with bond pair repulsion. B. Bond pair lone pair repulsion is greater than lone pair repulsion. C. The repulsion between the two lone pair is greater than the repulsion between two bond pairs. D. The repulsion between two bond pair is greater than the repulsion between the two lone pairs. The answer must be C. The repulsion of two lone pair greater than the repulsion of between the two bond pairs is the answer. Question number 35. Which of the following correctly describe conjugate acids and conjugate bases? A. Conjugate base has one more hydrogen and one fewer minus charge than the corresponding base. B. Conjugate acid has one fewer hydrogen and one more minus charge than the corresponding acid. C. Conjugate base is a species formed after removal of a proton from an acid, whereas conjugate acid is formed after addition of a proton to a base. D. Conjugate acid is a species formed after removal of proton from whereas conjugate base is formed after addition of proton to an acid? The answer is C. Conjugate base species formed removal of protons to acids, conjugate acids with addition of protons to the base is the answer. Question number 36. Consider the following reaction of zinc carbonate, ZnCO3. Zinc carbonate decomposes zinc oxide plus CO2. The chemical reactions that take place during the conversion of zinc carbonate is classified as A. Single displacement reaction, B. Double displacement reaction, C. Combination reaction, D. Decomposition reaction. This type is decomposition reaction. The answer is D. Question number 37. Given the following reactions, calcium carbonate plus HCl gives us calcium chloride plus carbon dioxide plus H2O, unbalanced reaction. If 40 gram of calcium carbonate react with 50 gram of HCl, which substance is the limiting and which is the excess reagent? For the atomic mass of calcium is 40 gram per mole. Chlorine is 12 gram, oxygen is 16, hydrogen is 1, chlorine is 5.5, which is the answer. Question 37. Mole of calcium carbonate equals mass over molar mass. 14 gram of mass over 100 gram per mole equals 0.4 mole. Moles of HCl hydrochloric acid, mass over molar mass, 50 gram over 36.5, 1.37 mole, which is more is hydrochloric acid, 1.35, calcium carbonate is 0.4, calcium carbonate is the limiting and HCl is the excess reactance. The answer is A. Calcium carbonate is the limiting and HCl is the excess reactance is the answer. Question number 38. A sample of a certain gas has a volume of 100 liters at 27 degrees Celsius and 750 torr atmosphere. The gas is expanded to a volume of 250 liters at 200 torr. What is the final temperature of the gas? This is the gas formulas P1 V1 over T1 equals P2 V2 over T2. T2 is T2 is P2 V2 T1 over P1 V1 equals P2 is 200 times 250 liters times 300. Temperature is 27 degrees Celsius plus 273 degrees Celsius in Kelvin, 300 Kelvin, and P1 is 750, V1 is 100 L. The answer temperature T2 is 200 Kelvin. In these choices are in degree Celsius equals degree Kelvin minus 273. Degree Kelvin 200 degree centigrade plus 273. This gives us temperature in degree Celsius Kelvin minus 273 equals 200 degree Kelvin minus 273 equals 73 degree centigrade ይሆናል ማለት ነው። The answer is C. Question number 39. Which of the following is correct explanation of the given term? Heat of vaporization is the energy required to convert 1 gram of a solid to gas at this boiling point. Normal boiling point is the temperature at which the liquid starts to be converted to the gaseous state. C. Condensation is the process by which a liquid changes to a gas at a boiling point of the liquid. D. Boiling point is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of the liquid equals the atmospheric pressure. The answer is D. The boiling point is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of the liquid equals the atmospheric pressure is the answer. Question number 40. Which of the following is the general formula of alkenes? Alkenes is CnH2n is the answer. Alkenes. This is alkynes, alkynes, and so on. The answer is A. Question 41. A student is interested in determining the content of a leaf from her environment and performed the following. Which procedure is the correct procedure? Student developed an experimental skill is. The answer is B. From step 3 is first, collect leaves from the tree around his village. Collect መሰብሰብ. Then first he dried the leaves, and 4 he is boiled the leaves and collected the leaves extracted, and 5 analyze the content of the leaves extracted using an instrument, and finally evaluate the work and draw conclusion. Is the answer is 41 is B. Question number 42. Which of the following characteristics of an electromagnetic radiation is correct? The wavelength of an electromagnetic radiation is directly proportional to its frequency. The speed of an electromagnetic wave is independent of the nature of the medium and it travels through. The speed of an electromagnetic radiation increases with increasing frequency. The speed of electromagnetic radiation decreases with increasing its wavelengths. This is frequency is lambda f, velocity, the speed lambda f, the speed of electromagnetic increase, frequency is the answer. Directly this formula ብቻ በመያዝ ነው የምትመልሱት። very question. Question 43. The hydrogen atom moves in a circular orbit associated with unstable energy states. This is called Pauli principle, Laplace principle, Bohr's theory. This is the Bohr's theory. The answer is C. Question 44. Which of the following is the core electron configuration of metal ion in ferric sulfate? Iron sulfide. Atomic number of iron is 6. This is electrical configuration of iron 3. Iron 3 plus is 1 is 2 P6 P6 3 5. This is argon. Argon is 18. And 3d5. The answer is B is the answer. Question number 45. The chemical bond that results from the attractive force between shared electrons and non-metallic nuclei is called covalent bond. Covalent bond. The answer is D. Question number 46. From the assumption of kinetic molecular theory of gases, which of the following is correct? A. The average kinetic energy of the gas particles is inversely proportional to the absolute temperature of the gas. The pressure of the gas is effect of negligible volume of gas compared to total volume of gas. Under ordinary conditions, the total volume of gas molecules is much smaller than the total volume of gas. D. There are some forces of attraction or repulsion between gas particles. The answer is correctly in gases. The pressure of gas is the effect of negligible volume of gas compared to the total volume of the gas. This is B. Question 47. Which of the following is correct about the phase change observed in water? When a solid ice is heated, it changes liquid water without melting. B. Water starts to evaporate at boiling point and condense at the melting point. C. At the melting point of ice, the temperature remains constant. D. At the boiling point of temperature, water exists in 3 different physical states. The answer is observed changed is, the answer is C. At the melting point of ice, the temperature remains constant. Question number 48. Given the symbol of 3 subatomic particles, electrons, protons, and neutrons, which of the following is correct comparison of the absolute mass of proton, electron, and neutron? Comparison of masses. ማሶች መታወቅ አለባቸው። የፕሮቶን ማስ፣ የኒውትሮን ማስ እና የኤሌክትሮን ማስ እንዴት ነው የሚለው ማስ ኦፍ ኤሌክትሮን less than mass of proton less than mass of neutron። ስለዚህ mass of neutron greater than mass of proton greater than mass of electron መሆን ይችላል or electron less than proton less than mass of neutron መሆን ይችላል። The answer must be D. Answer. Question number 49. In the modern periodic table, what is the name of group that contains the most electronegative elements? In the periodic table, the name of the group that contains most electronegative elements are A. Halogens, B. Alkali, C. Noble gases, D. Chalcagones. The answer is halogens are the most electronegative elements. Question number 15. A given element has atomic number of 55, mass number is 133. Which of the following describe correctly the property of this element? A. The metallic character of the element is high. B. The non-metallic character of the element is high. C. The element has high electronegativity. D. The element has high electron affinity. The answer is in atomic number 55 is the metallic character of the element is high. In the transition elements, 55 is high metallic characters. Question number 51. Which of the following is Lewis acid? Lewis acid is boron trifluoride is a Lewis acid. D is the answer. Question 52. The pH of 0.1 molar solution of an aqueous solution of a certain acid is 3. What is the value of acid ionization constant Ka of the acid? This is the question number 52. The concentration of acid HA 0.1 molars, pH is 3. H plus is equals to 10 exponents of pH equals 10 minus 3 molars. Because pH is 3, minus 3 molars. And for a weak acid, this HA for H plus plus A minus half reactions from HA is equals to A minus 10 minus 3. Both HA and A minus is 10 minus 3 because of a weak acid given. From Ka is H plus A minus times over HA. H plus and A minus. H plus is 10 minus 3 and A minus is 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 times 10 minus 3 is 10 minus 6. And HA is 0.1. 0.1 means 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. This on the above 10 minus 6 times 10 plus 1 on the above. This is 10 minus 5. This is 1 times 10 raised minus 5. Is the answer is A. 1 times 10 raised minus 5 is the answer. Question 53. The shift in the position of equilibrium caused by the addition of an ion already involved in the reaction is known as A. Buffer ion effect, B. Common ion effect, C. Titration effect, D. Hydrolysis effect. The answer is the shift position of equilibrium addition of an ion already involved in the reaction is common ion effect. The answer is B. Question number 54. Which of the following is correct about equivalence of acids and bases? A. The number of moles of acid or base required to form a 1 molar aqueous acidic or basic solution. B. The volume of an acid or base required to reach equivalent point during acid-base titration reaction. C. It is the amount of a substance that is required to react with 1 mole of hydrogen ions in acid-base reactions. D. It is the amount of substance that is required to react with 1 mole of hydroxide ions in a redox reaction. The answer is C is correct for acids and bases. It is the amount of the substance that required to react 1 mole of hydrogen ions in acid-base reactions is the answer. Question number 55. A 250 milliliter solution is formed from 24.5 gram of sulfuric acid H2SO4. What is the normality of this solution? H2SO4 is 98 gram per mole. What is the normality? In question number 55 is the normality. H2SO4 is mass over molar mass, 24.5 over 98 gram moles. The molarity is moles of solute over volume of solution in liter. Normality is molarity times n factor. This is 1 mole times the factor will be 2. 2n. The normality is 2n root. The answer is A. 2n. The normality factors. And also question number 56. Consider the mechanism for decomposition of N2O5 to NO2. First step, 2N2O5 into N4O10 is fast. Second step, N4O10, N2O3 plus 2NO2 plus O3 slow. Third step, N2O3 plus O3 to excess of NO2 plus O2 is fast. Overall, 2N2O5 into 4NO2 plus O2. This step, the rate determining step, Rate determining step. Which step is rate determined? The rate determining step is the reaction mechanism is the slowest step. The slowest step is the slowest step for the second step. The answer is A. Second step is the rate determining step or the slowest step. The answer is A. Question number 57. Consider nitrogen plus oxygen to NO. The equilibrium concentration of gases, nitrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen monoxide is a sealed container as follows. N2 is 1 times 10 minus 5 molar, O2 is 2 times 10 minus 5 molar, NO is 4 times 10 minus 5 molar. What is the value of the equilibrium constant for the reaction? This is the formula for 57. N2 is 1 times 10 minus 5, O2 is 2 times 10 minus 5, NO is 4 times 10 minus 5, Kc is NO square over N2 and O2. NO square means 4 times 10, 5, 4 times 10 minus 5, the whole square is 4 is 16, 10 minus 5 is 10 minus 10, and N2 times O2 is 2 times 1, 2, 10, 5, 10, 5 is 10, 10. This is 10, 10 is delete, 16 by 2 is 8. The answer is 8. Question, the answer is D. The equilibrium constant is 8. Question number 58. At a certain temperature of the following reaction has an equilibrium constant Kc is 12.4, N2 plus 3H2 gives us of 2NH3, N2 is 2M, H2 is 2, NH3 is 10. Which direction will the reaction proceed to reach equilibrium? Which direction? A. The reaction will proceed to the forward direction. B. The equilibrium is independent of the concentration. C. The reaction is at the chemical equilibrium. The reaction will proceed to the reverse direction. This is question 58 is QC is or Kc is NH3 squared N2 over H2 cubed. H10 squared 2 times 2 cubed is 100 over 16. 6.25 is QC. Kc is 12.4. QC is less than Kc. The reaction is forward direction to reach an equilibrium. The answer is A. The reaction will proceed to the forward direction because the QC is less than Kc. And question number 59. Which of the following is the general formula for saturated monocarboxylic acid? R is alkali group. This is RCOOH. This is the answer is RCOH. This is the A is the answer. Question number 60. Upon standing long, Allah or Taj turns sore. Which of the following is the correct explanation for the observed effect? A. Decomposition reaction of alcohol. B. Addition reaction of alcohol with an acid. C. The oxidation of alcohol to an acid. The reduction of alcohol to an acid. The answer is the oxidation of alcohol to an acid is the answer. Question 61. Given the following oxidation reduction reaction, H2S plus HNO3 gives us of sulfur plus NO plus H2O, which is the correct for the given equation. HNO3 is the oxidizing agent, yes. Sulfur is the reducing agent. The oxidation number of sulfur is decreased the oxidation number of N is increased. This is the correct oxidation reduction process or reactions. The nitric acid is the oxidizing agent. A is the answer. Question number 62. Consider the following diagram of an electrolytic cell. This is anode, this is cathode, this is magnesium plus 2 and Cl minus, and plus is for this is anode plus and the cathode is electron minus. The electron flows from conventionally plus to minus. This correct for the given diagram electrolytic cells are there is a decrease in oxidation number of chloride ion. B. Magnesium ion is oxidizing agent in the electrolyte reaction. C. Reduction takes place at the anode. D. Oxidation takes place at the cathode. The answer is B. Magnesium ion is oxidizing agent in the electro reactions. Question number 63. Which of the following is correct about molten electrolysis and aqueous electrolytes? A. During the electrolysis of molten electrolytes, the reduction of cations occurs at the cathode. B. An electrolyte that conducts electricity which dissolved in a certain liquid in a molten electrolyte. C. Both molten aqueous electrolytes involve preferential discharge of ions at each electrode. D. The possible half reaction in molten electrolyte are more compared to aqueous electrolyte. The answer is molten electrolyte and aqueous electrolyte is correct. From A is during the electrolysis of a molten electrolyte, the reduction cations occurs at the cathode is the answer. Question 64. Which of the following is not industrial application of electron chemistry? Note: electrosynthesis, electromagnetism, electroplating, electrolytic refining. This not industrial application of electron chemistry is electromagnetism is the answer. Question 65. Which of the following chemical industries incorrectly matched with its products? A. Paper industry, cartons. Food industry, biscuits. Beverage industry, alcohols. Textile industry, glasses. The answer is incorrectly mismatched or incorrect is industry glass Amerton. The answer is D. Question 66. Which of the following is peroxide? Calcium oxide, potassium oxide, iron oxide, zinc oxide. The answer is peroxide is calcium oxide. Among the following, which one is a ternary acid? Ternary acid is the H2SO4 sulfuric acid is the ternary acid. The answer is B. Question 68. A student collected few lemons from his or her backyard, brought it to their class, and prepared a lemon juice in a beaker. They got blue and red litmus paper from his or teachers and placed few drops of lemon juice both on the red and blue litmus papers. What will be their observation on the litmus papers? A. The blue litmus paper will turn red and the red litmus paper will maintain its color. B. The red litmus paper will turn to blue and the blue litmus paper will maintain its color. C. The blue litmus paper and the red litmus paper will turn colorless. D. The blue litmus paper as well as the red litmus paper will maintain their color. The answer is A. For the blue litmus paper will turn red and the red litmus paper will maintain this color is the answer. Question number 69. What is the pOH of pure water at 37 degrees Celsius, where Kw equals to 0.5 times 10 minus 14 and the pH is 6.8. Log 2.5 equals 0.4. This question 69 is this the ionic product or the ionic formula for X times X is Kw. Ionic formula. This is Kw is 2.5 times 10 raised minus 14. X and X is X square equals to this 2.5 10 minus 14 is the X is root of 2.5 times 10 minus 40. 2.5 is 25. 5 into 10, 14 is 7, and it is minus for 7.5 because this is 2.5. This is calculated. pH is minus log of H3O plus the base 10 minus log of 5 times 10 minus 7.5 over the base 10, and which gives us minus log 5 minus 7.5. This is the base 10. So log 5 the base 10 is 0.7. pH is minus 7.5 minus 7.5, 0.7 minus 7.5 is 6.8. Minus of 6.8 is plus 6.8. The pH is 6.8. pH is answer is B. Question number 70. The hydrogen ion concentration in a certain solution at 25 degrees Celsius is 1 times 10 minus 8 molar. What is the pH solutions? Question number 70 is the pH equals to minus log of H plus the base 10 equals minus log of 1 times 10 minus 8 hydrogen the base 10. pH equals, this is minus of minus positive 8. pH at 25 degrees Celsius, pH plus pOH equals to 14. 8 pH plus pOH equals to 14. pOH is 14 minus 8 is 6. 6 pH is the answer is A. 6 pH. Question number 71. A student added 25 milliliter of silver nitrate solution to a bakery and weighted the mass of the bakery and it is contained as M1. He or she added 50 ml of a saturated solution of sodium chloride into a second bakery and weighted the mass of the bakery and it is the content as M2. Finally, he or she mixed with two solutions and weighted the mass of the resulting solutions with the two beakers and recorded as M3. M3 is found, M3 is M1 plus M2. Which one is the following laws is investigated by these trials? This is the law of conservation of mass, the law of conservation of energy, the law of multiple proportions, the law of definite proportion. The answer is law of conservation of mass. Question number 72. A chemical reaction that releases heat energy to the surrounding is known as exothermic reaction. D is the answer. Question number 73. A type of reaction in which two compounds react together to form two or more products by exchange reactants ion is known as single displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, combination reaction, decomposition reaction. The answer must be B, double displacement reaction. Question 74. Which of the following includes the precondition required for a chemical reaction to occur? Activation energy, pressure, collision between reactants. Activation energy, proper orientation, collision between reactants. Temperature, pressure, proper orientation. Temperature, activation energy, proper orientation. The answer is B, activation energy, proper orientation, collision between the reactants are the preconditions of the chemical reactions occurred. Question 76. Given the following structure, CH3COCH3, what is the IUPAC name above is methyl ethanol. Methyl ethanol is the IUPAC name of this structure. Question number 77. During summer, the average value of temperature measured in a certain chemistry laboratory is 298.15 Kelvin. How many decimal places are there in the measured value? This is 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places is the answer. Question number 78. Which of the following is correct? Lewis electron, dot symbol of magnesium oxide. Magnesium is 12, oxygen is 8. The answer is C, for magnesium plus 2 and oxygen for 8 minus 2 is the answer. Question 79. A student collected 4 beakers in his or laboratories, added some small amounts of the following: naphthalene to the first, graphite to the second, iodine is the third, alcohol is the fourth. If they added equal volumes of water to each of the above beakers and shake each beaker, which of the following will be their observations? Water will dissolve iodine rather than graphite. There will be dissolution in the first 3 beakers. There will be dissociation of alcohols in the 4th beakers. D. Water will dissolve the whole given chemicals in the 4th beakers. The answer is C. There will be dissolution of alcohol in the 4th beaker. Is the answer is C. The last question, question number 18. Which of the following explanations about reversible and irreversible reaction is correct? A. Reaction that proceeds from react to product and from product to react is known as irreversible. A reaction that has only forward reaction or irreversible is known as reversible chemical reaction. C. Chemical reactions that proceed only towards the formation of product are known as reversible reaction. D. Chemical reactions that proceed only towards the formation of product are known as irreversible reactions. The answer must be D. Chemical reactions that proceed only towards the formation of product known as irreversible reaction. Please subscribe, like, share for other students. Thank you.